Hey guys, Jacob here. Today we're going to talk about Style 2 collars made by A&A Pool Products. Alright guys, we're back. So today we're talking about the A&A Style 2 pop-up head collars. So these are old. I believe it was 1994 is when these actually came out. Surprisingly, A&A still makes the Style 2 collar. Kind of weird because now they're at the Gamma 4, so they're way down the sequence. This is kind of an outdated thing, so if you're doing a remodel, we understand if you're going to buy these collars because you don't want to replace them all or something like that. However, these guys, they're pretty easy to install, and they still come in 5 different colors, so it's white, gray, black, gold, and tan. But yeah, so these pop-up heads, they work with both the A&A Style 2 pop-up head. This guy's been around forever. And then the Gamma series. So the Gamma series is the upgrade. So we highly recommend the Gamma series. We have a whole other video on it down below if you want to check out the Style 2 to Gamma 2 series upgrade. Highly recommend it, check out that video. But however, back to the collar. So these collars, they go inside the pipe that's in the bottom of the pool after they're reamed out, or if it's a riser pipe. So the difference between the two, we actually have them here. So both these pipes look the same. However, it's all about the inside of the pipe. So regular PVC pipe. So if you have a regular PVC pipe coming up out of the ground, say your concrete's right here, you're gonna have to cut the concrete, you're gonna have to cut the PVC pipe, and you have to ream it out. So reaming it out is using this big bulky metal tool, and it actually goes really nicely in there, and then it actually cuts. So as you can see here, when I turn it, it's shaving the PVC pipe to thin out the pipe, because ultimately what you want it to be the same size as Class 200 PVC. So Class 200 PVC is what fits almost every manufacturer's collar now, and it slides right in with some heavy, pool heavy glue. I'm not gonna do it right now because then I won't get it all the way out. Screw it. So as you can see, as it goes all the way in, with glue, it's gonna be in there really, really good. So Schedule 200 is the way to go. That's the easiest way to do it. However, if you have regular PVC, it's gotta be reamed out. Again, more links down below on how to ream out your PVC pipes for your collars. So back to the collar. That's the A&A Style 2 collar. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.